Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I'll be showing you how to reset the S Pen. So there could be a number of reasons why you want to reset the S Pen. Maybe it isn't responding well, or it keeps disconnecting. If that's the case, you may need to do a reset and set the S Pen back to its default settings. Okay, so first of all, just make sure that you have the S Pen inserted into the phone, or else this will not work. So once you've got the S Pen properly inserted into the phone, just follow the steps I'm about to show. So just simply pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down, keep scrolling to where it says Advanced Features, and then select S Pen. And once the pen is inserted correctly, when you get to this page here, it will say inserted, and you'll see a picture of the S Pen. Okay, so all you have to do from here is just select this tab up here in the top right hand corner, and then select Reset S Pen. And as you can see, this may take a while, so just leave it, give it a few minutes or seconds to do its thing. And that's it, guys. The reset is complete. There's no actual message to say that it's complete. However, it is finished and we're good to go. So yeah, that's how you reset the S Pen on the S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.